So good morning guys, it's time almost 5:39. So we are going for a small trekking. So today Sasank Kumar is joining also with us. Sasank, good morning. And as usual Akash Bhaiya is also joining today. And also you can see the view of So actually we are planning to go to the Udaigiri mountain. So Rajgir has 5 mountains and we have already covered the 4 mountains. So last one is the Udaigiri. So we'll be going for the Udaigiri trekking. Right, Sasank? We'll be going for the Udaigiri trekking. How much are you excited for that? I'll leave him. He is not that much excited because he has already covered that mountain. Actually, I and Akash Bhaiya came outside to the gate. Akash Bhaiya,
Yes,
we are outside in the gate. So
we are waiting for our Toto.
we are waiting for our Toto. So we are heading towards Udaigiri Parvat. So actually we are in the bike. So Akash Bhaiya is in fear mode. So we are actually
the accident he is driving the bike and I am the fear mode that he will not give the accident.
no worries. I have a 15 years of experience. Akash Bhaiya.
Ambu was also having 17 years of experience.
But don't trust Ambu. So actually we are heading towards the Udaigiri Parvat. So our Toto is going just in front of us. So let me show you our Toto. Like our exam week is on the way. So now we have taken the Viraitan road, which is like most beautiful road in the Rajgir.
Yeah, so many.
So guys, we have reached our trail, that is Udaigiri trail. And Akash Bhaiya, how is your health, Akash Bhaiya?
It is very savoring and by the God's grace, I was not feeling any fever type after I have came from the Darjeeling and Lakwanchar area. But now today, after riding the bike in the cold, I think so I would be getting a fever.
No worries, you will be fine. So like this area is like giving the vibe of Mahananda Wildlife Sanctuary, right?
Yes,
Akash Bhaiya, you can see the like similar kind of road structures and like mountains are also
one
there.
thing is missing. The
What,
big
what?
elephant is missing.
Like we have seen a big elephant on Mahananda Wildlife Sanctuary, but we don't want to tell about the full story. Okay, let's see what happens. So actually we have started our trekking and like enjoying the best view. And also you can see new member has joined, like Akriti Kushwaha. We have reached our first destination. So here we two mandirs we have, right? One is Jain Mandir, two temples are. Miss Akriti, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
Ah.
But it's too short time.
It's too short track, so we'll be moving towards the next destination. We have reached our second destination also, and Miss Nandini ji.
Yes, finally.
Miss Nandini also featured in the vlog, and Akriti is here, so you can see the beautiful view.
Subscribe,
Subscribe.
like and subscribe. And
So actually we are searching for Ambuj. Ambuj has gone somewhere. Sasank? Where is Ambuj, Sasank? Sasank, where is Ambuj? So Sasank is going to check where is Ambuj.
नहीं जाना
CBI.
यार क्यों कर रहे हो तुम?
अरे let them enjoy guys.
कुछ यहाँ कहीं भी हो,
Let them do
मेरी
their
आवाज जा रही है, ये इको पार्क नहीं है।
तू समझा?
So finally Ambuj has came. Now we saw a Nil guy also.
And yeah,
and
we
two dogs, which we thought it's a deer.
yeah.
So it will. So these are the temples. So guys, we have returned back to our place. So from here we will be going for breakfast, and then we will be going to our university. You can see this is a nice place. And Miss Akriti is also here. Miss Akriti, how was the experience?
It was good.
Thank you. So guys, we have reached our university. So you can see Sasank is also here and Nandini Di is also here. And
But the vlog is very bad.
नहीं.
Akash Bhaiya is also here. So we are waiting for our university buggy. So then we will be going by buggy. Till then we will walk, no issues. So Sasank, so this is
Yes.
our, I think this is our last trek at
No.
Nalanda University.
No, many more to come.
Many more to come.
But this will be in Rajgir. This was the last.
This was the last trek.
Yeah.
राजगीर या this was the अरे वो सोनगिरी हिल्स नहीं क्या?
So this is now the last of Rajgir.
This is the last of the Rajgir trek. Okay, so see you
Farewell
guys.
to Rajgir treks.
So see you in the next vlog, guys. Till then, goodbye. This is what kind of leaves?
New leaf.
New leaves.
रुकेगा क्या?
Sasank, do you know this is what kind of leaf?
बहुत वे इंतजार कर पाएगा, हम तुमको लिख के देंगे।
This is the new leaf.
New leaf.
This is the
New leaf.
that has been grown now.
Zero civic sense.